Windows fogging up because of bad airflow is super annoying, but totally fixable if you know what to do. So, first off, you gotta try opening windows whenever you can to let fresh air in and push the moisture out. If opening windows is not an option, installing vents or exhaust fans in spots like your kitchen and bathroom can seriously help get rid of that damp air. Using a dehumidifier is another cool trick to pull moisture from the air, especially in rooms that stay muggy. You can also keep your home's heating system in check because warm air holds more moisture and helps prevent foggy windows. Avoid drying clothes inside if you can because that adds a ton of humidity. Regularly wiping down your windows with a microfiber cloth helps too. It keeps the moisture from building up. If you notice your windows fogging up on the inside overnight, try running a ceiling fan or portable fan to move air around. Lastly, sealing any leaks around your windows stops cold air from sneaking in and causing condensation. One of the most common mistakes people make with windows fogging is ignoring ventilation. Just closing everything tight traps moisture inside, so make sure your vents or fans are actually working right. Another big issue is using old or single-pane windows which don't insulate well and cause more condensation. Upgrading to double-pane or thermal windows can really cut down on fogging. Then there's the problem of poor heating management. If your house stays too cold or too hot, it messes with the moisture balance, so keeping your thermostat steady and using humidifiers or dehumidifiers as needed can fix that. BigHomeProjects.com makes it way easier for homeowners to find trustworthy local contractors who really know how to handle ventilation and window problems. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a great place to connect with folks who need your skills and build your business.